Hello, hello. Carlos here from Abandoned House, Portugal. Thank you guys for watching me. Thank you for follow us. Thank you for this uh, previous week that you follow our videos. So this week was very busy for us, very busy, and we didn't have time to do things that we had planned. The reason why I will show you the one part that we did, the one room that we cleaned, and there is another 2 rooms to go just to finish the cleaning process, and then of course the hard part for this project. First, submit the plan to the municipality, to the camera, and then after approved, we will go to rebuild this ruin, to transform it into a room, a home. Sorry, a home. And yeah, one more video. This is the 4th one. Hope you enjoy. We are a Brazilian family who bought a ruin in Mafra, Portugal. We are sharing our experience through these videos. Please follow our journey. Stay tuned. Okay, let's move to the video. The floor plan will help us to understand what's going on and what's next. In the brown space is the room that we already did, and in the white one the place that we'll do now. Okay, stay tuned until the end of the video. You see what's next. Another tree. Let's see the importance of the right tool. Look at that. I will cut this chunk. These three, three. Please consider to watch this video until the end. I will show you the next steps, what we will do in the next episodes. Okay? Thank you again. Please subscribe.
Something more if you would just stay here for a while. Just look in my eyes. There's more to us than we can show, and I think you know we can turn off every filter. So let's just shut off the feed. Just let us be who we are. Can you feel my heart is beating? I think I want something real to show you unfiltered love. Let me show you my true love. Yeah. Let me show you my true love. Let me show you my true love. Yeah.
Can you see a door? Yeah, a door between two rooms. This is our Christmas tree. We did with a lot of passion and means a lot for us. It's a simple one, very easy to make, works only with some lights. This light works with batteries, some batteries, and we just turn on when we are here. Means a lot for us. It's really special because particularly in this period of time, we are in December, and Christmas is really important for our family. So enjoy this tree, enjoy the Christmas, and thank you. Support this channel, put a thumbs up, and follow our journey. Bye. As I said at the beginning, let's talk about what comes next. The brown part has already been cleaned, and the green rectangle remains to be done. Was a lot of work. But there is another very, very important thing that I want to share with you. Take a look at the draft that we received. Let's talk about, but only in the next episode. Stay tuned. Please put a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you.